From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening and welcome. Between 2 and 3 million have now joined the CBI for SSR campaign, and this has spooked the Maharashtra government and the Bollywood PR gang. The Maharashtra government is spooked because they know that people in Maharashtra and in Mumbai are as angry, if not more, at their cover-up as anywhere else in India. And they're also spooked because though they tried to make it a Maharashtra versus Bihar issue, they failed. It's an all-India issue. The Bollywood PR gang is spooked. The Bollywood PR gang, those who called Sushant mentally unstable, suicidal, and I will take names, people like Mukesh Bhatt, who predicted a Parveen Bavi type end for him. These liars are spooked because they realize that people are so angry with this group cabal, whether Karan Johar or Mahesh Bhatt, that their films they fear will no longer be money spinners. But just because they are spooked, should we be happy? Is this justice for Sushant? No, viewers, it's not. The rejection of a Mahesh Bhatt film or a sudden expression of sympathy by the same Sanjay Raut, who till yesterday was mocking and warning Sushant's family, is no demonstration that our fight has been successful. No, it's not. Our fight will be successful when the Supreme Court hands over on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or whenever this case to the CBI. But not just that. Our battle will be successful when those who have carried out this unimaginable conspiracy against justice in the Mumbai police and among Maharashtra's ruling dispensation, those who carried out this conspiracy while sitting in positions of power, quit and apologize. Quitting is more important than apologizing. Our war, which has been on for 2 months, against this attempt to project a winner as a suicidal and unstable person, will not be over till those who helmed it, including the Bhatts and Karan Johar and all of them, issue a public apology. This campaign is a battle of deeply entrenched, selfish interests on one side against the citizens on the other. And citizens this time won't just walk away till the culprits responsible for stretching our patience for 2 months quit and apologize. We need both, viewers. Remember, quit for those in power. Apologize for those who spread the depression lie. We will not spare them this time. 2 debates tonight, viewers. Will those who botched up be punished? We want punishment. And thank you for all your support. It's unbelievable the kind of support that's coming in. Viewers, also on the debate this evening, which PR company floated the depression theory? We are told that in Mumbai there is a powerful Bollywood PR company which has been very active. We are hot on their heels as well. We are going to name them as well, viewers. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Friday evening on The Debate Tonight. 2.3 million or 23 lakh people and counting. CBI for SSR, a global clarion call tonight. CBI meets Sushant's family for over 4 hours, collects evidence. The story is moving.
बहस बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। मुंबई पुलिस जो जांच कर रही है उसके अंदर घुसकर कुछ बातें निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
CBI for SSR viral movement has spooked the Shiv Sena parties on a complete back foot. Mumbai police didn't send Sushant's phone for analysis for 24 days. What else do they have to cover up? Four unseen videos demolish the theories that he was depressed and had issues with family. And from the PR firm that was hired to the police and the political cover-up, will the CBI identify and punish them? And ladies and gentlemen, the more support we gather, the more nervous they are getting every minute. It has been 2 months since Sushant Singh Rajput was murdered, and the Republic Media Network investigation continues to expose cover-ups every single day. Tonight, I come back to you with our investigative team armed with more evidence and more questions before we debate.
Key witnesses missing from the crime scene. People who were inside the compound but haven't been identified or questioned yet. The questions are too many, and there is no option but a CBI investigation.
Hello everyone, I'm Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, Shweta Singh Kirti, and I request everyone to stand together and demand for CBI inquiry for Sushant. We deserve to know the truth. We deserve justice for Sushant.
Today marks 60 days since Sushant was murdered. 2.3 million people have joined the campaign for justice, and the CBI is moving.
The meeting between the CBI and the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput lasted for over 5 hours, wherein the statement of the family members, especially the father of Sushant Singh Rajput and sister, was recorded. In the 5-hour-long marathon meeting, the family members submitted all the digital evidences and the electronic evidences pertaining to the misdeeds of Riya Chakravarti and her family members.
In Maharashtra, a nervous Shiv Sena is calling the global campaign foolish, a day after asking the family to stay silent.
आपने उनके पिता से सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जमता नहीं था, आपने ये लिखा है।
ये मेरी जानकारी है और ये सच। उनके फैमिली में क्या चल रहा था वो भी एक जांच का, वो बिहार में खास। कितने बार सुशांत अपने पिता को मिलने गया था पटना में। आप देखिए उतना आप प्यार, जो आपको शौक, हाँ सदमा। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का मृत्यु, उनका परिवार, उनके बारे में हमें पूरी संवेदना है। हम भी भावनाशील व्यक्ति है, भावनाशील सरकार है, हम भी हैं। कुछ लोग बहस बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। मुंबई पुलिस जो जांच कर रही है उसके अंदर घुसकर कुछ बातें निकालने की कोशिश कर रही है।
But Republic will not stop exposing the cover-ups.
After the Bihar police, the enforcement directorate has now been blocked by the Mumbai police. This after 2 letters were written by the enforcement directorate to Mumbai police for sharing all the statements that have been recorded by the Mumbai police in this particular case. Not just that, enforcement directorate had also requested the Mumbai police to share digital evidence, that was the laptop dumped data as well as the iPad and 2 mobile phones of the late actor. These details were basically sought by the enforcement directorate from the Mumbai police, but yet again Mumbai police has blocked the enforcement directorate without providing any information to the federal agency.
as our investigation tracks down key players.
मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था रजत, आपसे थोड़ी एक थोड़ी बातचीत करनी थी, थोड़ी जानकारी चाहिए थी। अगर आप 2 मिनट फ्री हैं तो थोड़ा बात कर सकते हैं आपसे।
किस बारे में?
रजत, आप ये सुशांत के पेमेंट्स हैंडल करते थे ना 2019 पे?
सॉरी सर, वो तो मैं फोन पे बात नहीं कर सकता एंड उस बारे में मुझे कोई बात नहीं करनी है।
मैं आपको आके मिल सकता हूँ फेस टू फेस?
नहीं सर जी, फिलहाल अभी मुझे डायरेक्ट जो काम करे वही ज्यादा बेटर है ना।
नहीं, मुझे
चाहिए सब।
Every testimony hints at a botch-up. Will a CBI investigation punish those who hid the truth for 60 days? Let's debate.
Sudhanshu Trivedi opening the debate with Sanjay Gupta. Sudhanshu Trivedi, सवाल ये है, my first question is this. One part of the campaign is CBI for SSR. So we hope, we pray, we are sure, we are determined that the Supreme Court will allow the CBI to come in and the Mumbai police will be asked to step aside. But उसके बाद महाराष्ट्र सरकार के जिन लोगों ने और मुंबई पुलिस के जिन बड़े कर्मियों ने ये पूरा कवर अप किया, उनका क्या होगा? व्हाट इज देयर अकाउंटेबिलिटी? Let me ask you today, viewers, using the hashtag CBI to SSR, you tell me, I'll read out your request. Should the Mumbai Police Commissioner stay in his job after the case goes to the CBI? What do you think, Neelam? What do you think, Neelam? Let me ask you, Pradeep Bhandari, let me ask you.
First of all,
yes.
I think Arnab, he should resign.
Arnab, we
He
all
should resign.
hoping that the CBI would do a very free and a fair investigation. No, first of all, we just hope that CBI does a free and fair investigation, because CBI doesn't have a very clean track record either. And I've been a sufferer in that. It was Delhi police who filed the FIR in 304 part 2, and it was CBI who came under political pressure and changed it to 304A. So first of all, our endeavour should be to ensure that CBI does a free and fair investigation. Otherwise, it will be a repeat of what the Maharashtra police has done.
That question should go to that apprehension should go to Sudhanshu Trivedi, who should 1 minute. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Neelam Krishnamurthy raises a fair point. As of now, the choice is between CBI and Mumbai Police. Any day CBI is better. But what is the guarantee that the CBI will complete the investigation and not use it, I repeat, not use it for political purposes?
I know one thing is very clear in this case.
Absolutely.
That whatever the political angle is coming, it is not coming through police. For the first time, we are witnessing a case in which the spokesperson of a political party is giving inferences rather than the investigating agency. On one hand, Mumbai police has not yet been able to conclude on which type of FIR should be done. And on the other hand, not the government spokesperson, but the political party spokesperson is coming and he is giving conclusive evidence. So whosoever is trying to raise the question about any sort of political influence, there is a great deal of doubt what is happening in
Sudhanshu.
Second thing, CBI has up till now has proved its record that they have worked with a truly professional manner. And in this case, the matter is in the Supreme Court. So whenever the case will go to CBI, it will be on the instruction of the Supreme Court. Obviously, Supreme Court will be one party in the channel. So anybody who's having any apprehension should have an unflinching respect towards the Supreme Court of India.
जिसपे सीबीआई किसी डिसीजन पे नहीं पहुंच पाएगी, आपको पता है?
अरे जनाब ये बताइए, हम तो पुलिस की बात कह रहे हैं। अभी तो आपके यहाँ ट्रांसफर पोस्टिंग में कितना टाइम लगा? एक बार इन्होंने किया, दूसरी बार दूसरे ने किया।
सुशांत होना चाहिए।
We are not putting question mark on the professional competency of the Mumbai police, but we are putting question mark on the political involvement of the Mumbai police.
जो लोग भी जिम्मेदार हैं उनके ऊपर उंगलियां उठे और उसके अंदर पैसा, प्रॉपर्टी, सुशांत जी की फैमिली और रिया चक्रवर्ती, ये 4 चीजें हैं।
मान्यवर, यही तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। अभी FIR दर्ज नहीं हुई
चारों
है,
एंगल से
डिस्कस
देखने की
निकाल दिया
जरूरत
गया।
है। आप सिर्फ राजनीति
कि सुशांत के पिताजी से संबंध खराब थे। What is the basis of this?
नहीं, आप ये बताइए,
Government is trying to
पिता से कहा
interfere in police investigation.
पिता से
Number
कहा,
2, has
मैं
police
परेशानी में हूँ।
concluded this?
तो
Number
पिता,
3,
ये बताइए, खुद
Louder, please, Sudhanshu.
imagination of
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you. Move the other side, please. Thank you.
क्या परेशानी में हूँ तो
No, 1 second. Can I please intervene? Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Sanjay. Bala wants to come in. Bala, it is quite clear to us that India will not tolerate a botch-up. This is not a botch-up. Now the question is this: should those who tried to botch up this campaign be punished or not?
There is absolutely no doubt. Under law, if anybody has tried to interfere and prevent the delivery of justice, he or she has got to be punished. There are clear-cut provisions for that in law. But having said that, I would like to make the point that we all think that by handing over to the CBI, that is the end of it. That is how the justice will be done. The main thing is it should be a court-monitored investigation. I'm 100% certain that the Supreme Court will kind of order a CBI inquiry. There is no doubt about it. It is very crystal clear now. But it should ensure, the court, I hope, will ensure that it is monitored by a sitting judge and regular reports are submitted to the
But Bala, that's not the point. Bala, we all hope for a court-monitored CBI investigation.
Yes.
I'm asking a more fundamental question which you should not avoid. And may I please have Ved and Manojit on the right? You know, Sanjay spoke, he's made his initial comments. Yes. My question is very simple. I want the people who dared to do this botch up in public glare. So they are very confident people. The people in the Mumbai police, Bala, 1 minute. In Mumbai, the problem is there is an unwritten code. Don't speak against the Mumbai police. Let's break the code tonight on the program, okay? This unwritten code which establishes here that don't speak about the Mumbai police, we'll have to speak about it. A police force which has gone down to this disgraceful level, not a force, but whose senior officers have fallen to this level. Now you said it'll have to be established. Ajay, tell me, if the Supreme Court hands over the case to the CBI, it would be established by the country's highest court that the Mumbai police tried to do something extremely malafide and against public interest and trying to destroy the neutrality of the criminal justice system in this country. How can that go unpunished, Ajay?
It is apparent on the face of it, Arnab.
How can that go unpunished?
That cannot go unpunished. The moment CBI today filed in the Supreme Court, that Mumbai police has taken 56 statement, but that does not have any relevance because they have not filed an FIR. That itself clearly proves that Mumbai police was not conducting any investigation. It was just going through formality. And Supreme Court will take a note of it. And definitely when this investigation starts, the CBI will also focus that why Mumbai police was deliberately not registering an FIR for 56 days, why Mumbai police tried to botch up this case, who are the people involved, and correctly so, a Supreme Court monitored inquiry will be welcomed by everyone in this country so that the so-called Maharashtra government does not have any mouth or anything to say that, well, center is manipulating. So let there be a CBI monitored by the Supreme Court. There is no problem. But they will investigate the role of Mumbai police too, who have been happening the investigation for the last 2 months.
Because astute, one minute. Bala, today if people who are supposed to enforce the law turn into lawbreakers, as has happened in the case with the Mumbai police. The reason I'm asking you this question is because the people of this country, Manojit, need some form of a guarantee that even if any other case of injustice does not become as big as CBI for SSR, because everybody is not a film star or film star's family matter may not get so much public attention yet. Absolutely. Whether you are in Bengal or Mumbai, an average citizen today wants a guarantee that the policeman who tries to do this along with the local politician will get punished. Now, if there is no punishment, if no Mumbai police official is sacked, suspended, or even more severe action is taken against them, then policemen will feel they can get away and do this all over again.
Arnab, has it ever happened in the history of Indian police force? Has it ever happened?
Well, it should happen,
We can understand
Manoj.
what the Mumbai police is doing. They have lot to, yes, they have lot to answer. I mean, nearly 60 days and no answer. Even if it's a case of suicide, for argument's sake, they can't even say in black and white terms that this is suicide. That speaks volume about the kind of inquiry, quote unquote inquiry that they have conducted. But again, or no, let us not go gaga over CBI either. You remember Rizanur Rahman case in Kolkata 2009? Again, the same kind of storm that we saw in the media. Rizanur Rahman famous suicide case. Nothing happened. CBI came in, nothing happened. We are still waiting for justice as far as Rizanur Rahman is concerned. Almost a similar kind of a case. That shook the foundation of the left front government in 2009. Nothing happened. CBI came in, nothing happened. Arushi murder case. Again with the sustained campaign, nothing happened. We still don't know who killed Arushi. We still don't know. So let us know, let us not certify CBI that way. I completely agree with Ms. Katara. The CBI's track record is also quite dismal. And in this particular case, let me tell you, Arnab, there will be very, very little
Sudhanshu, on the right,
evidence
please. Thank you.
Investigate as far as CBI is concerned, except digital evidences and some corroborative evidences. Almost 2 months. What did we get?
Sudhanshu on the left, thank you. Yeah.
And the Supreme Court has gone and recorded.
Sudhanshu and Ajay, thank you.
Why
Yeah.
it has happened? You understand why it has happened? Because like in this Sushant Singh case, for 24 days the phone has been not provided to the investigating agencies. अरे साहब इतने दिनों में इतनी बार रिफॉर्मेट कर दिया जा सकता है फोन को कि it would have been extremely difficult to get the data. It has happened in several cases. Otherwise, the standard operating procedure is that the phone should be allowed within an hour as early as possible to be investigated. And 72 hours before the incident has taken place, whomsoever he has talked should have been interrogated. But Mumbai police has done nothing of this sort. Obviously, if the inquiry will happen, then whosoever is being responsible of the custody of that phone and other things, definitely they will be under the control.
No,
खुद बताइए ना, अब 24 दिन तक phone नहीं मिलेगा.
No, I am again repeating my point, and I will keep hammering this point today. Because there are two demands we have: CBI for SSR and sacking of Mumbai police officials responsible for this. Sacking of Mumbai police officials responsible for this. Sacking of Maharashtra Home Minister responsible for this. If not, voluntary decisions by the Chief Minister himself to quit. Because if this case goes to the CBI, which I am sure it will, what will it have proven? It would have proven that an entire state government, the topmost ministers, along with the elements of the civil administration and top police officials, conspired to destroy evidence, mislead the victim's family, shame the victim's family, abuse their positions of power, try and conceal facts, and use the state machinery. And I'm asking everybody on the program tonight, with all the force at my command, and may I not be interrupted by Sanjay Gupta for a minute. Thank you. I'm asking you viewers, I'm not going to be satisfied if the case goes to the CBI and the Maharashtra government officials and the Mumbai police officials who dared to carry out this conspiracy against the people of India are let go.
No.
I raise this question to you viewers. Remember, this is a police force of some efficiency, however guided by its officials into believing that because you sit in that chair and you wear khaki, you have a right to get away with it. I strongly believe in examples. What is the example which is set here is what I want to ask. Do we want an example set? I do. Who doesn't? Sumit, you don't? I would like an example set in this case. So the police force...
CBI should also apprise.
Yes.
CBI should also apprise the Supreme Court.
Arnab, can I make my point?
What Mumbai Mayor had to say. That
Ajay.
they quarantine the CBI
My point is, Arnab, that today a detailed report has been sent by the Mumbai police to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court would be scrutinizing the entire Mumbai probe. In case
we don't want
Supreme Court finds any discrepancy in the probe, or in case Supreme Court finds that there is a botched investigation, so then Supreme Court itself will deprecate the Mumbai police.
I'm sorry, the Supreme Court is not in a position to sack the Mumbai Police Commissioner. The Mumbai Police Commissioner will not be sacked by the Supreme Court. Public will. What is the public will here?
Passes aspersions against Mumbai police, then there would be a ground.
I'm sorry, if the case, Sumit, be logical. Sumit, be logical. Sumit, be logical. Sumit, be logical. If the case goes to the CBI, it is because the country's highest court, with the evidence that has come before them, Ajay, would have come to a conclusion that the Mumbai police has stalled and scuttled the probe for 2 months. Now that's a very serious charge.
Yes.
Don't tell me that charge will go unpunished.
My point is that there is a possibility of this court.
I'm sorry.
In case Supreme Court deprecate, they will definitely go punished.
Deprecate?
My point is,
if the case goes to CBI,
Supreme Court does not
who's going to punish?
Mumbai probe,
Who's going to punish?
Supreme Court can transfer it to CBI.
If the
Supreme Court can still transfer to CBI, because in this case, both the victim side and the petitioner himself has also given a objection to the CBI probe.
I'd like a second
so there
view
is all likelihood of the probe going to CBI.
Ajay,
but
it's not about CBI. It's not about CBI. It's about the police force which was involved with the Home Minister, and obviously on the guidance of the Chief Minister, which has carried out this mockery.
Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court will not tell Uddhav Thackeray to resign. The moral culpability will come on it.
If Supreme Court casts aspersion on the Mumbai
right when this case is taken up by the CBI.
Demand. But
CBI is going to investigate every angle. What led to Mumbai police delay 60 days? Why delay of 60 days in filing an FIR? Who were the Mumbai police officers involved? Why not WhatsApp message were taken into consideration? All these questions CBI will investigate, and definitely the officers who are involved will be booked. What I want that Supreme Court should be apprised, what Mumbai Mayor had to say a few days back, that they will quarantine the CBI also if they land in Mumbai. This is a threatening again. And Supreme Court should know about it. I don't want a West Bengal-like situation happening what happened a year back, when CBI officials turned up to question the Commissioner of Police in West Bengal in Calcutta. So I don't want any Chief Minister to come and sit on the dharna again against CBI. So all these situations, CBI must place in front of the Supreme Court that this is the position we might face. And the kind of desperation Mumbai police and Maharashtra government is showing, I'm not surprised if this is repeated again. So all these things, I'm again reminding people.
So how do we make sure that this does not happen? No, how, viewers, one second, if you've been following this, I truly believe that in every case like this, Sumit, 1 minute, just talking to the viewer. So I strongly believe that at the end of the day, our journalism has to be about setting the right precedent. We are not lawyers, we are not looking at case history, but we are looking at something called public memory of political accountability. You see, Sumit, you are not understanding the question that I am asking today. The question, viewers, I am asking is of our collective public memory as a society, as a country, of something you and I all seek, which is accountability of people in office. And if in this case, it cannot be a bureaucratic exercise, Neelam Krishnamurthy, that the case goes from Mumbai police to CBI. It has to be of punishment. The problem is we want to close the chapter and move on. What do we remember at the end of the day? The headline people will remember 10 years from now is, if the commissioner is sacked or suspended, or the Home Minister quits, or the Chief Minister takes responsibility, then it has true impact. And it is that impact which we seek on behalf of the people. So, Neelam.
Yeah, in that case, Arnab, I feel very strongly the police commissioner should be made to resign. Because obviously if the Supreme Court transfers the case to CBI, they would have gone through the status report that was filed by the Maharashtra police, and they would have found that it is not, they haven't been efficient enough, they're not carrying out the investigations, because even after 2 months of the death, they've failed to register an FIR. All they've done is an accidental death report. So they have failed miserably. It's very clear that they're under political pressure. And this will send a message, because this is what happens all over the country when the people who are involved in crime are rich and powerful, who have contacts in the right places. Let me finish, please. Will you be civic enough? So I think it will send a strong message, and that's the only time an ordinary citizen in this country will have faith in the police and as well in the judiciary. This must happen.
And it's gone beyond that.
Let me check in the investigating officer. I think he should be dismissed from the services.
Can I make my point?
And what about the DCP?
Yeah.
What about the DCP who has a parallel conversation? You see, what about the fact that the Mumbai police has been asked for details of Sushant's phone records, messages, internet communication, statements of interrogated, and the Mumbai police has told. I mean, we have seen this. Sudhanshu Trivedi, jo idhar Mumbai mein ho raha hai, we have seen this in some Bollywood films where the policeman turns into a villain. Why should we allow this policeman politician nexus to continue unpunished?
Can I ask one question to Sudhanshu ji? Arnab ji, with your permission.
आप देख रहे हैं बिहार की तरफ से स्टेटमेंट कौन दे रहा है? DGP of the police, which is speaking professionally, who is giving concrete, conclusive evidence and speaking on the technical ground. On the other hand, who is giving response from Maharashtra?
Sudhanshu ji, what is the guarantee that the CBI is going to investigate
why
this in
they are
a
not
timely
responding
manner?
technically,
As of now,
rather than they prefer to respond politically. और एक बात और कहना चाहता हूं, अगर एक एग्जांपल और दे दूं फिर आप बोलिए।
सुधांशु जी,
देखिए अगर महाराष्ट्र पुलिस का ये स्टैंड है कि एक्शन यहाँ पे घटना महाराष्ट्र में हुई है, so FIR cannot be lodged in Patna. Arnav, I would like to remind, जैसे आपके खिलाफ पुलिस में केस किया गया, अरे भाई एक दो जर्नलिस्ट हैं जिनके खिलाफ घटना हुई है उनके स्टूडियो में, नोएडा में, और महाराष्ट्र में FIR दर्ज है. Either Maharashtra government should take a stand and cancel those FIR and shift it to Noida, or either they should change their stand on the Sushant Singh case, Sushant Singh case.
Sudhanshu ji, can you come back to the point? Sudhanshu ji, Sudhanshu ji, today the topic of discussion is CBI for SSR. I just want to ask you one simple question. This matter is most likely going to the CBI. What is the track record of CBI in closing the cases? As of 2018, 751 cases were registered. How many were closed? As of 2019, 586 cases were registered. How many were closed? As of 2020, 291 cases were registered. What is the report of 2018 told by CBI is of the 2015 case, from 2015 65% of cases are still pending. So what is the what is the strategy of CBI
Bhandari,
if this case goes to CBI, that you are going to end this matter in a timely manner, or it is not going to be
which you said. Arnab, the president here is
let Sudhanshu respond first.
The people's fight wins, or whether it is state bar which wins.
Let Sudhanshu respond first. I will come in also.
It's extremely important for the Mumbai Police Commissioner to resign and the Home Minister to take the personal responsibility of this nexus, because Riya Chakravarti is just one small pillar. Now, if we look at this case in retrospect after 10 years, and the Mumbai Police Commissioner, who has not done a professional investigation but done a political investigation, does not resign, then the message will not be correct and the precedent will not be correct. And the CBI for SSR is start of justice,
is not the end of justice. It can be the beginning of the justice, a beginning of investigation.
I ask you, listen, let's be very calm here. First of all, understand point by point. You know something, I don't believe that the Mumbai police is bad, incompetent. I believe the Mumbai police is being given a direction. And the direction is to protect Riya Chakrabarti, protect all those around her, maybe because of Bollywood links, maybe because of political links, maybe because of other links, crime links, maybe because of extortion links, financial links. But Bala, you've been a crime reporter all your life, and in Mumbai at that. First thing you do is find out call detail records. According to call detail records Pradeep Bhandari has shown today, there was a call from Riya Chakrabarti to Samuel Miranda for 1,191 seconds on 14 July. At least 15-20 minute conversation. Elementary, what was the call about? Was it investigated? Were they made to sit face to face, or was a cover-up organized? Today, the CBI has collected evidence from Sushant Singh Rajput's family after meeting them for 4 hours. But you ask Parambir Singh, he'll tell you, I've already got the statement. 1 minute. Parambir Singh says, I've already got the statement. No elementary application of common sense by Parambir Singh. You got the statement when the man was grieving for his son still, and still is today, but just after he cremated his son. It's not about the credibility, Bala. It is about culpability. The Mumbai police is culpable, and the Mumbai police is working at the behest of political masters because their statements match. Because the statements match. Now you got to tell me therefore today, will all three quit, Uddhav Thackeray, Anil Deshmukh and Parambir? Or will only Parambir quit? Because Parambir could not quit saying, I'm only doing as politically instructed. I'm talking to Bala on the debate. Thank you.
Yeah. Arnab, if the inquiry is indeed handed over to the CBI, it is a huge setback for the Maharashtra government led by the Shiv Sena, and also for the Mumbai police. But having said that, I would like to point out that if the CBI, during the course of its investigation, if it finds that there has been effort at tampering with evidence or destroying evidence.
I'm sorry, but the Supreme Court would be acting on the basis of prima facie material, Bala.
The CBI,
the Supreme Court would be
the police officials concerned.
No.
From prosecuting the politicians concerned.
Sorry. No, 1 minute.
This is a very
Listen to me. An investigating agency.
The law has been set into motion.
An investigating agency with his eyes wide open.
The CBI does not need the authority of the Supreme Court.
No. An investigating agency refuses to investigate.
Police officials, if they are found to have tampered with evidence.
Now there is a possible forgery angle. There is a possible angle of forgery of the signatures of Sushant.
Where
a front company.
Evidence, it is a criminal act, and the criminal consequences have got to follow.
Bala think things through. Bala thinks things through. Key suspects are not detained, not cross-examined. The key suspects are not arrested. The scene of crime is compromised. The crime, 1 minute. Bala, listen here. If you look at the fundamentals here, there's a possible forgery angle not looked at. Key suspects not detained. Key witnesses sent off. People who are suspect asked to go away. Parents' view not taken into consideration. Parents, on the contrary, attacked. Deliberate omission in the post-mortem report. The post-mortem report does not match the visual evidence. There is a 23-day delay in acquiring the CCTV footage. And can I continue, Sanjay, without me to be quiet? Don't make me lose my patience. Don't make me lose my patience on this. Phone line खोल दूं? सुनना चाहेंगे लोग क्या सोचते हैं इसके बारे में? खोलो लाइन.
पुलिस के ऊपर इस तरह से आरोप लगा रहे हैं जैसे पुलिस की सुशांत सिंह राजपूत से कोई दुश्मनी हो. पुलिस ऐसा क्यों करेगी? पुलिस को क्या दुश्मनी थी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत से? पूरे देश को हमदर्दी है उनसे. नॉन पॉलिटिकल आदमी थे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. पॉलिटिकल जो पर्सन है उनके चचेरे भाई के ऊपर परिवार ने उंगली उठा ली है कि चचेरे में मेरे भाई पहले कहा थे अपनी चिट्ठी के अंदर जो विवाह विरोध चिट्ठी.
लेट नीलम रिस्पॉन्ड प्लीज. थैंक यू.
परिवार ने.
संजय जी,
I am very surprised that he is saying कि मुंबई पुलिस की सुशांत सिंह से कोई दुश्मनी थी. ऐसा तो आपने भी नहीं कहा ना, हम कह रहे हैं. But the point here is Mumbai police is not doing his job properly. They are doing a cover-up. They are coming under political pressure. Why are they investigating the entire matter with free and fair investigation? investigation? Why are they trying to twist the words?
लिख करके पुलिस के अंदर अगर ऐसी बात थी तो अगर किसी के घर के किसी परिवार के बच्चे की जान खतरे
देखिए पुलिस का क्या काम है? पुलिस का काम है इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना। आप मुंबई पुलिस ने इन्वेस्टिगेशन ठीक से नहीं किया है। आप एक एफआईआर भी लॉन्च नहीं कर रहे हैं।
एग्रीड पार्टी भी होती है, एग्रीड पार्टी जो शिकार पार्टी होती है।
I am asking you, I am only asking you, please be quiet, Sanjay. Thank you. I'll take you off screen right now for a minute. Sudhanshu Trivedi will debate with Ravi, who has joined the debate. I am asking you right now, viewers. Supreme Court, if it gives the case to the CBI, Supreme Court is not going to say that Mumbai Police Commissioner should be sacked or suspended, the DCP should be sacked or suspended. They will simply hand over the case to the CBI. But I am asking you today, Sudhanshu Trivedi, if you can hear me, and if Ravi Srivastav can hear me, those who carried out this conspiracy, who we have been fighting for 2 months, उनका क्या होगा रवि? सिद्धार्थ पिठानी को हैदराबाद किसने जाने दिया? The cook Keshav, who was in the house, was giving a long rope. The cook Neeraj, whose locksmith opened the door mildly and left. His claims defy logic. He is a free man. Samuel Miranda was told to remain silent as per the cops. Sandeep Singh was not even questioned by the Mumbai police once properly as per his own admission. Till today, Riya has not been arrested. Look at their arrogance. Disha Salian's friends are spooked. Riya's manager Shruti Modi has not even been cross-examined. I am asking the people of India today, viewers, those responsible for this, unka kya hoga? Just focus on that, Ravi. Just focus on that.
I think you are wasting your lung power, because unless the Mumbai police submits the report, nothing is going to happen. An honorable Supreme Court will consider and act upon that report only. If they wish, they can give the report, they can give the inquiry to CBI. But my point is, Arnab, CBI is also not at all trustworthy. Their conviction rate is absolutely
Then you
low.
want to do the investigation? No, you want to do the investigation.
No, I want the CID should do it. Independent agency should do it.
CID under Sanjay Raut. CID under Sanjay Raut.
SIT
फिर तो हो गया.
Supreme Court monitor probe can be there. Why CBI? What CBI is this Zia Khan case? What the CBI did?
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
That was also a suicide. What happened in that case? Tell me. They botched up the whole particular case. You don't remember that? You don't remember the 2G case? You don't remember the Ayushi case?
Then put someone else.
CBI for SSR. CBI for SSR. What chorus you are playing unnecessarily? Let it be by any independent agency. There the truth should come out.
I can't hear anyone.
And who should be probed and who should not be probed. That is the prerogative of the agency, not you.
Ajay Alok is also not on. Ajay, I can't hear you.
Hello, I'm not on the screen.
Is it fine now?
Yeah, you're fine now. Carry on.
What I'm saying that people like Ravi Srivastav and all others, I don't know why they are fundamentally against CBI. What is the problem? Now you can just imagine when ED is asking for phone of Riya and Sushant for 4 times, this Mumbai police is not cooperating. So that doesn't give you as an ordinary citizen, forget your affiliations, forget your political linings. Just as an ordinary citizen, just imagine a central agency is asking for a phone and Mumbai police is not giving it handover. What does it mean? What does it mean? They want to hide something and you are
you make a request in the court.
When I'm saying something that it's going to be a Supreme Court order time-bound inquiry.
Mr. Alok, you go to court. I say you go to court, you get the order passed for giving the phone. They are not giving it.
They have already given the inquiry to CBI.
So that's a delaying tactic, right?
Police
go to court. Ask for it.
No,
As far as concerned, the case
No, why should one have to go to court to ask for it?
Delay.
Why will I go?
Why should one have to go to court for ask for it? It's normal procedure. Why are you stalling?
They are not giving it. Simple.
Why are you not giving it? Simple means what? It's a Gunda Raj or what? You won't give it. Why?
For trouble.
They are not giving.
Why won't
So
you?
you are inviting for trouble.
No, why won't
That
you?
means you are something. You follow some
No,
different
they will
constitution in
not.
Maharashtra.
They have got their
It's not a part of India.
I have evidence with
You
them.
want to say that?
This is another tactic
You want
to
to say
destroy
that?
evidence. In the past 60 days, Mumbai police have
ED
used
can
every
interfere with
opportunity
the
to destroy
further
evidence,
investigation.
right from not sealing the crime scene and not giving the phone is also the same thread in the entire trend. Ravi is saying that CID should happen. He's saying that Sanjay Raut should investigate the entire case, who himself is a party and become a spokesperson of Priya Chakravarti. This is the exact nexus that Arnab you are talking about, and complete justice can only happen when people in political power who are directing the Mumbai police are out of power.
Pradeep Bhandari will investigate it now. Pradeep Bhandari will investigate it now.
Well, the entire probe under the Mumbai police is suspect.
Are you competent to investigate? You do it.
CBI. Under Supreme Court monitor.
What are you talking, Sanjay Raut? What is Sanjay Raut? Rajya Sabha MP will do the investigation. There is a police force.
Well, the entire
The
probe,
police does it.
the entire probe under the Mumbai police is suspect. The family is speaking up. The people are calling out the Mumbai police probe. You go on Twitter and you'll see questions from the people of India to the Mumbai police commissioner. You want
They
to
have a
check?
right to question.
You want to check the
They have a
questions?
right to question. Arey Baba, you have a right to question.
So it
I
begs
also
the
have a right to
question, was there room
I have a right
deliberately
to
given to
question.
allow tampering of evidence?
Arnab, I have a right to question that why you are calling somebody accused.
Yeah, but you also have a brain, why don't you use it?
I am also saying,
वो आप दिखाएंगे ही नहीं
You also have a brain, why don't you use it?
उनके फेवर में नहीं होगा
I have used it. And that's
If you
why I'm
use
saying
your brain and if you have one,
you cannot say that somebody is accused,
Bala.
somebody did it, somebody did that. You prove it, anything. Have you proved a 1 rupee transfer from
Sudhanshu.
account of Sushant account? Have you
But I
proved
can't
it? Have you found any evidence?
Arnab, you see what happened in the case of the Kathua rape and the murder case.
Sudhanshu.
Apprehensions, assumptions,
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
assumptions, everything.
It is something which happened
No
not
hard evidence. Somebody
Whatever they have said
is
is
saying
proved wrong.
something, some manager is saying something,
Only-
some friend is saying something. Arey, where the evidence, yaar?
I can't hear
Where the
Sudhanshu.
evidence?
सुधांशु जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, आप जरा फोन लाइन उठा लीजिए. सुधांशु जी आप जरा नॉर्मल फोन लाइन से आपकी ऑडियो थ्रू करते हैं. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, मैं तब से 10 मिनट से कोशिश कर रहा हूं. We cannot hear you. If you have a phone line, then speak to me through a phone line.
है ही नहीं, उनकी आवाज है ही नहीं, निकल नहीं रही है आवाज. आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? जो आवाज आ रही है वो सुनाइए जनता को पहले.
मैं तो आपकी आवाज सुन रहा हूं ना, मगर आप दूसरों की आवाज भी थोड़ी सुनिए. नीलम कृष्णमूर्ति, I think these people have made up their mind, Ajay Alok. So I'm asking you viewers.
Very important question.
Yeah, Neelam. Go on, Neelam.
Arnab, can I just come in for a moment?
Yeah.
You know, you're asking a very valid question that in case Mumbai police is responsible for not carrying out the investigation properly, what action should be taken against them? There's a very fundamental question about it. The point is these police officials are well protected. They cannot be prosecuted under 190 unless they have sanction under 197. So who's going to prosecute them? We people can raise as many questions, we can raise the question, we can ask for the accountability, but unfortunately there is no provision in law which allows these officials to be prosecuted. I have a matter which is pending in the Supreme Court for the last 7 years where where the accused, that is Amod Kant, has asked for sanction to be prosecuted, and there's a stay on the complete trial. I mean, when they know they performed a duty during their official duty, but they made a mistake, why should they need sanction to be prosecuted? Tell me that. They have to do away with this sanction under 197. Unless that is done the way, I'm sorry, what you're asking for is not possible. No police official will ever be prosecuted.
Well, there is also an issue of moral culpability and responsibility, Neelam.
Let's change the law.
Because this time this case has been in the public domain.
She is talking very sensible.
If people want to hang on in their chairs despite being exposed, that is a choice they have. But that too the people will judge. Viewers, I'll see you on the other side on whether those who push the depression theory should also be made responsible now in a few minutes.